morning. I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. I'm here with a patient who traveled from Maryland because he had herniated discs in his neck. He underwent the endoscopic Deuk Laser Disc Repair. It was done with a 4-millimeter incision on his neck right there. He came to us with neck pain that went down his right arm. He had discomfort in the right arm. He told me he put all those tattoos on his arm because that's how he dealt with this pain that he was getting in his arm. And how do you feel today?
Like night and day. After surgery, I kept waiting for the usual arm pain to come back yesterday afternoon, and
Gone.
it just wouldn't. Yeah, it's kind of disbelief, surreal feeling.
You did it.
Yeah, I only wish I found your website earlier and could have saved me money on stem cells and all the other back and forth with
Let's
doctors
talk
and
about
treatments.
that. You mentioned stem cells. You had stem cell treatment for your cervical disc herniation. Did they work?
It bought me some time.
Temporary.
Yeah, after the second, it was 3 rounds of injections. The second injection, that's when I started noticing better. But basically, that was last fall, and it bought me maybe 5-6 months.
5 or 6
And then
months.
everything kind of came back.
The reason why stem cells, people don't know this, you got to know the truth. The doctors are putting steroids in the stem cells. So they're actually giving you a steroid shot, which costs $150. But then they say they're doing stem cells. Stem cells don't do anything. But you pay thousands and thousands for the stem cells.
It was like all in all, it was about almost 15 grand for everything I did. And
$15,000 for stem cells that didn't even work. We see this all the time. People, please stop falling for these scams. Stem cells in the spine for spine problems. But you chose Deuk Spine Institute. Now, we met first on Zoom. Is that right?
Yeah.
Because you live up in Maryland. So how was the Zoom call you had with me?
super easy, quick. We had it all scheduled within a few days, and I just happened to, that last internet search with my exact condition of C6 pinching right on, and the website popped up, and I was like, why didn't I see that before? Then I was, a month, 2 later, I was down here.
Now, you have an interesting job. You work for a great company. You work for Tesla. You're a mechanic on Tesla cars, right?
Yeah.
So how did your neck problem with your herniated disc affect your ability to do your job?
I had to start doing work that was less and less physical. Basically, all the heavy duty stuff I could not do, and got through each day eating way too many NSAIDs just to function, and nonstop arm pain, basically. And it's just basically what my pain tolerance was for that day. Some days would be better, some days would be worse, but it's been going on almost 2 years from when the very first symptoms started. So it wasn't sustainable. I knew it wasn't sustainable. It wears on you physically, mentally. So something had to be done.
You have a lot of pride in your job, and having pain in your neck going down your arm, radiculopathy, pinched nerve symptoms must have had a negative effect on your life and your job. So why did you end up choosing Deuk Spine Institute to fix your neck with your herniated disc and spinal stenosis?
Less invasive, the risks were so low, all the horror stories of fusions that I had heard led me to believe this was without question the best choice, and it's a quick in and out. I fly down to Florida and I'm back in a few days. The turnaround is kind of crazy. I'm not in the hospital bed for.
Anything else you want to say to your friends and family and fans out there?
If you are suffering from any neck back pain, I highly recommend this option. Consultation, see what you can do for them, and there's a lot of bad information out there, and this was by far the best solution I could have come across. Thankfully, I finally did. It just took almost 2 years to get to this point, but yeah, I'm happy. I have another shot at life, my job.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy life.